Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to apply WooCommerce free shipping on certain products. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, you need to head over right here to your marketing and then choose right here coupons. In this right here, click on this create your coupon. You can also add a coupon right here. And then from in there, you can create a new coupon. So for example, let's name this free shipping. Name this right here. And then in here, you can see this discount type. It can be percentage discount and also this fixed product discount as well. So you can also choose in here the usage restriction, usage limit, as well as the general things right here. So in here, let's click on this allow free shipping. Now you just need to check this box and this coupon grants free shipping. So in here, let's just put in here discount type. And then the coupon amount will be 0 since this will only allow free shipping and not any product discount. But if you want to add some product discounts also, you can also add them right here. Now you can in here generate a coupon code that you want. And in here, from in there, you can actually make this possible as well. Now in here, let's set a certain product restriction. Let's use this usage restriction right here. And you can put in here this minimum spend. But since we want certain products, we can choose on this product right here and search for the product wherein we want to add this. So for example, let's add in here on our navy blue product. So we have in here this product. Let's add this. And you can also exclude some products as well. You can also choose product categories wherein it will only be allowed into. So for example, right here, let's just add some products right there. So let's add this also on this popover heavyweight hooded sweatshirt. And you can also add in here some restrictions as well. And then click on this usage limits and you can use this unlimited usage, or you can also make this only one usage as well if you want. Or you can put in here a usage limit per user. So you can make this possible right here. And then from in there, click on this publish. And then once it's been published, it will be published immediately unless you click on this edit option from in there. So as you can see, here is a preview. Here's our product, and we have in here the subtotal. And as you can see, the shipping is free as we have actually added that particular free shipping coupon from in there. You can also add a coupon as well if you have anything from there. And from in there, click on this proceed to checkout. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.